Ariel, dili mo lapos dito. Oh.
Nanay, when you put the puppy here, so you can end the puppy here. Oh no, this is Karihata. Kuya, ayaw maglapos dito, ging. Hi, Ariel. Kuya, dili mo lapaw dito ha. Ariel, dili mo lapaw ha. Balik mahalan. October.
Hi, Ariel! Dili mo diretso ha, Inday, na motor. Hi, Kira! Kira! Hi, Mikey! Hi, Kelly too! Where is Mike? Hey, Brading! Si Brading! Motor! Dah, jadi blouse. Ang hindi hapit na makuha. Ayan na, hindi naging multitasking exercise while gabantay.
Wala, hindi ko kalugar.
Okay ko, gikan dire, suba ko age. Pagabot ba yung kitas kani pa pa, dagdag ko lang. Pasaan ako oy. Dili akong kuan.
Hoy, sige na.
Oh. Gikan dire.
Hindi ng barangay light. gawas lang ga. Kaya basig makapaak mo, ging. Ha? Diha mo. Diha sa. Bye, Langga. Bye. Balik kami. Dili naman ni.
Sila mga bata, paana gahapon.
Unsa man na tay?
Kids diyan oy.
Di pa shake. Si Inday, gamay pa man ni nagsugod pa ka. Gam. Dili man good ni sis.
Ang uniform ko. Iya.
Pwede ra man good wala.
Ang uniform.
Dili man dayo na mo abot. Pwede ra man ko.
Ako din papilo na ugma po.
Basta magsugod lang na sila, pwede na.
Joy, ug nate entrance ba nga 800.
Ay wala oy.
Jogging pants ah.
Naan siya jogging pants?
T-shirt.
Oh, naaraman siya jogging pants na.
Sila no, gani.
Kabalo pa ko nga yung anak din.
Pagsugod.
Mana na?
Oh, sino na?
Kabalo pa di ko ako nang
Hi Ariel. Ala, unsa na?
Ay, to.
Pauli ka tatay. Oh.
Ayo ray, okay ra man guna.
Nang sa man na?
Okay ra na.
Balo ka.
Okay ra man guna. Tang guma.
Wala hilakanay, nga naman to.
Sino nila ko na sorry.
Ah, natumba siya.
Aja ra.
Sige na. Asma man ni mo, ging.
Sorry nito.
Ha? Ah. Be, ayaw lapos, be, ha? Dagi. Hi. Uy. Magkamal dito ka, anya ba? Awan kayo. Roding. Wala yung motor, tay?
Ha? Wala. Wala yung motor.
Exercise.
Uli.
Sige, kapalos.
Maingat na ni.
Di na tara dito rin yung ano. Sige anak.
Hmm?
La.
Ayun lagi kini mo ya.
Si Brad wala ka gawin.
Ang sutoy na kalsada, bigsa na. Up!
Wala.
Oy, ate, ay mo hang kwan dito.
Bye, kuya.
Oh. Hey! Kuya ayaw, ya, kaya matumba siya, ya. Ay, liko naging. Kaya na mo. Ayaw siya sumugagin. Bebe! Biin na.
Paligis siya. Yan.
Walking si tatay, oh.
Okay, oh, panunod na. Yun pa na yun. Singot pa na yun, ah. Nandra para tulo na yun, tulo na singot. Hi guys. Pasingot ni.
Singot po ko.
Singot pa kita.
Tukod ko na eh.
Uy, singot na ka kaay.
Please, tukod.
Hala ka.
Tukod.
Yan na ituklod man ka.
Tukod. Napaspas.
Hindi ko baluging.
Ano lang good man? What? Tukod, sige.
Taot. Tidak ka mo Fidel. Sinday, bilis magan. Oh my God.
Time.
Huh?
It's night time.
Hi guys. This is Ariel.
Oh my gosh, it's
It's nighttime but it's okay. Tata is here.
Hello guys, what are you doing in there? Bye-bye, Kuya.
Wala sila karate. Nalimot sila. It's Labor Day.
Beep, beep. Ambil ba tong flashlight? Butang gray.
This area is, the cemented area is about 75 meters. So, one way back and forth is 150. 10 times ni mong tuyok is 1.5 kilometers. So, kung makatuyok ka by 20 times, so, is equivalent to 3 kilometers walk. Okay?
Naalagay mga tubak. Ba?
Bye-bye, Kuya.
Lantaw sa road. Ay, shadow na ko. Kuya!
Get out of here.
Tata is there. Sa end.
Wala ko ipan, Kuya.
Kuya, ayaw dihaging. Nakasala ka. Pila ka meters tatay ang kini dito?
75.
75.
75 to 1 round is 150.
One
So,
round.
150 times
20.
10 rounds.
Times 10 lang.
150 per round. So, kung times 10, that is 1.5 kilometers. Kung times 20, that is 3 kilometers walk. Ang 1 round kay 150
Na
meters.
estimated time to pila ka rounds.
Ha?
Estimated time.
Estimated time sa
Pagtuyok dire.
ganing wala ko ka kuan.
Wala pa ka time.
Wala po ka
Pinag-apil pa ka sa
Ang kuan lang distance na akong gisipit.
Yan, dili na mula po sa si baby may imong ginapatulod na gamay man na. Oh, sinday. Kuya.
Ay, pitbull to. Para, pitbull.
Ariel, nairo, day. Nairo. Ariel.
Pitbull ka na.
Ariel. Psst,
Brad, tao Brad. Sukay ka na, Brad.
Sukuli.
Oh, sugay no.
Sukol sila, Brad, eh.
Pwede na dyan. Ha? Pwede na. Usa kayo ro.
Sukol si Brad, oy.
Brad versus Pitbull! Winner is Brad King! Hoy! Look! Itangod ni! Itangod ni! Sige! Anak!
Uy, tama na, gabi na.
No! I wanna play more.
More
I don't wanna
kakaroon.
play more. I don't wanna play more. Anong field na ito? Dagan man. Dagan man ito. Bye guys!
Bye,
I
Ariel.
wanna play tablet all night.
Dili na ka. You bring back your kuan
Ako kay...
bicycle inside. Kuya, tama na ging. Gabi na ging. Daghanag kuan kanang tubak. Hi Brad, gawas ka dong. Ayaw dong kay
Kuya.
mag-away ra mo atong iro.
Ayan, palit.
Ging, bugawa ang iro ging oh, magawas.
Baby ako.
Basa-basa pa manggod.
Brad,
Brad, musutoy.
Brad, sunod.
Brad.
Sunod yan.
Dali. Ayaw, Brad. Brad, oh, lang ka. Hap.
Sige.
Sulod. Aday. Kuya, can't you see my...
Day, imong bike, day.
Bawa lagi plastic, tay.
Gani. Bang sulog pa.
Gawas ka dong. Ayaw dong. O niya ra. Pasuroy natin ka, tatay. Pasuroy natin ka. Alpod mo. Hello. Bye, guys. Kuya, pag ilis na, ging. Singot kay ka. Kuya, pag ilis na, ha? Day? Record imo house. Record your house, dear.
Nay.
What's that?
Because I click this.
Nag-clean pa na siya.
Blouse.
Sige lang, wait lang. Nag-clean pa na siya. Para dili siya mulag. Auto-optimize mong guna na.
Nanay, dili pa mangita ang villager's house.
Yan naman, gay.
Kay si Kuya mauna. Dili ko ganahan villagers.
Dili lang eh. Hi guys.
Hi guys. We are playing mini.
Mag-record ko siya sa
Nanay,
house.
ingon siya ang lalaki Minecraft.
Yan naman.
Ingon siya Minecraft. So, I will teach you. Oops, wrong. Who's not pressing this?
Huh?
Who's not pressing this?
What?
It's not pressing. Oh.
Because I think your hands, your fingers are wet.
Wait! Oopsie, that's the wrong way. Hi. Again? What happened this time?
Are you connecting to the internet or not?
No, I'm not interneting.
Interneting? You're not using the net?
My world. Here, that's
Is that your house?
yeah, my house is over here. And then I hiding Endermans. I will kill the Enderman.
What's Enderling?
Enderman! Enderman is a monster school. Oops, that's right. Here. Close it down. Okay. This is our roller coaster. This is my house.
Okay, just go on.
This is our home.
That's our home?
Yeah. because I started in the balay. So I was doing inside. Wait, don't forget the sounds.
What sound? Wala dito sound.
And this is my living room here downstairs. And this is my kitchen over here. And this is yours. And this is your if you want.
Ah, that's my kitchen if I want.
And
Close
this
mo
is
ang door din.
and this is mine. This is my cabinet.
Close mo to.
And this is my
Mag-ilis kayo,
cabinet.
singot kayo ka.
I have a
Come here
cabinet.
ba? Come here.
And this is
Come
my
here ba? Show them the, oh? Mura ka, bagong ligo. Pwerte ni mong singuta. Sige na.
singot kay.
Paligo na dito. Magka-butoy na po ka. Ikaw na. Pandrapo sa lakaw. Bye guys. Oven?
Yeah.
Okay. Go on. What else do you have?
I got a furnace on the carpet.
What
Where-
else?
Put here. And this is done. This is our home. I got a nice house. And this is my upstairs. I will forget a modern. I got the quartz stairs. And this is my chest. And this is our 2 closets. And some bedrooms and carpets. And some bookshelf. And some crafting table.
Oh my god, do you have a crafting table?
Yeah?
Is that for you or for Kuya?
for me?
For you.
That's mine because I'm playing Minecraft. Kuya is with this.
Kuya is siya man gud ay nga Minecraft no si.
I want bridge wooden slab. I get some glass on the house. Glass pane. I got bookshelf and a TV. And this is our home. I get a nice house of the world.
Go on. Oh, it's so high. 2 window. What's that?
That's 2 windows.
Is that where I'm
Glass
going
pane.
to
That's a glass pane.
glass pane?
Yeah. Kuya is going to here on the desert to come with me. Kuya's not here yet.
Why?
Because Kuya's not here on my house. Kuya said they want to go back my house.
Why?
Look, Nanay, for sales.